is for airplane flying high in the sky. B is for baby, while laughing when we say hi. C is for cat, or soft and loves to purr. D is for duck, who quacks and swims in water. E is for elephant, with a trunk so long. F is for fish, who's swimming all day long. G is for goat, or climbing up so steep. H is for hen, go laying eggs so neat. I is for ice cream, all cold and super sweet. J is for jellyfish, still wobbling in the deep. K is for kangaroo, jumping up so high. L is for lion, are roaring at the sky. M is for mango, too juicy, sweet and bright. N is for nest, where birds sleep at night. O is for orange, around and full of zest. P is for parrot, talking like a guest. Q is for queen, wearing a golden crown. R is for rabbit, oh hopping up and down. S is for sun, who's shining oh so bright. T is for tomato, glow red and fresh inside. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry in rain. V is for van, though driving down the lane. W is for watch, or ticking all the time. X is for x-ray, though looking deep inside. Y is for yoga, with stretching here and there. Z is for zebra, with stripes everywhere. Learning letters one by one, sing along, clap and play. Let's do it again today.